dark and dramatic now. Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I've walked alone on narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp. But when my eyes were stabbed by a flash of a neon light, split the night, and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. Oh, people talking without speaking, the people hearing without listening, the people writing songs, their voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound.